D&Gav adventure. Today we are hunting turkey in my blind. Today we are sitting on the alfalfa field and hope we find some turkeys to shoot.
Alright guys, today is the opener of turkey season. It's pretty chilly out. It's about 30s, so as you can see the smoke coming out of his mouth, so that's pretty chilly. Coming up here to the property, there is snow on the ground, so we got a few decoys set out there. It's about 15 yards in front of us, so we also got the Mr. Buddy going today too, because it's kind of chilly for Gavin, so we'll see what happens. The hunt is gonna be Gavin that's gonna be shooting today, so I'm just here trying to capture it on camera for him, so hopefully he gets lucky. Luck is on our side and we see one today. Okay, Dion's out there
with my grandpa.
Yep, he's with Grandpa. Grandpa's sitting with him. Grandpa's gonna film him. He's just sitting to the south of us, a little southwest to us. Yep. So hang on tight and we'll see what happens. A little update for you guys. We're about 2 hours in. Seen a bunch of pigeons flying around, bunch of sandhill cranes flying, making tons of noise also, and geese is flying back and forth. We also had 4 deer cross in front of us. It came from across the street from the next door neighbors. Came onto our property and made its way into the woods over here. Ran along the edge of the woods over there to go into that far corner. Went into the woods there, so a lot of nature, a lot of activity to keep us occupied and interested. So it's been fun seeing all that.
About 20 minutes ago, Dion was gobbling with probably a few turkeys, and I hope they took a single shot. Hopefully they got it, and hopefully there was a group of them, and then hopefully they'll come our way when he shot. So we're gonna see if they come.
This is gonna be it for today. We're gonna head on back home. No luck at all today. This is gonna be it for me until the next couple more weeks here. I ended up having to work the next few weekends, so I won't be back. Grandpa will take these guys back out the next couple days here, and then hopefully they have more luck. So that's how hunting goes, guys. You're not gonna see your game every time. So we out. Until next time, subscribe, and I'll post more videos for you guys. Plenty more turkey hunts coming up, so subscribe. See you guys then.